It's been a while since I've done any laser engraving videos, so here we go. This is done onto the CamelBak Fit. I think this is one of the best tumbler money can buy, just because it is watertight. You can shake it around, there's no way water can get in. It boggles my mind how people carry something that has a straw for water to easily pour out or anything like that. It just doesn't make any sense. One of the other thing I really like about this tumbler is that there's very little crevices. What does that mean? It means that this is very easy to clean. There's not much holes, little slots, crevices for bacteria to get into and, you know, start stinking the whole place. This whole thing is very easy to clean. All you have to do is pour some water in it, shake, shake, shake around, and you're done. It comes with a built-in handle, and you can carry it all day, pretty much secure. To do this engraving, here are all of the settings on the side of the video. Using the settings, you can see that the engraving comes out to be pretty dark. You don't see any stainless steel whatsoever. This is all you get, dark ink, I guess you could say. On the bottom, there's some, you know, warnings, serial numbers, model number, like that. Alright, to get this working on the laser engraver, you would need a roller. With the previous video, I showed you how to use the roller along with mirror mode. Apparently, you don't need mirror mode at all. If you set up your roller looking exactly like this in this configuration, then you absolutely don't need mirror mode whatsoever. Place your tumbler onto the roller as so, and what you'd see in Lightburn is what you would get as the result. Alright, hopefully this video helps you decide what tumbler to get. Not only is this tumbler easy to clean, but it's also very easy to engrave onto. I really appreciate you guys subscribing to my channel, liking this video, and thanks for watching.